Different categories of employees, including various unions and associations, under the banner of Coordination Committee of Registered MeECL Employees Association and Union, today announced a host of agitation programs, including power shutdown, if state government is adamant to pay their pending salaries. This decision was taken at the meeting held at the MeECL headquarters at Lom Jingshai in Shillong, where a host of resolutions were adopted. The MeECL employees has been agitating from time to time for non-payment of salary for almost 3 months, including mismanagement and financial irregularities. The resolution passed said that the employees will observe a hunger strike, total suspension of maintenance work, and total shutdown of power if their demands are not met. After a long deliberation, the President P.K. Shulet read out the resolutions.
The Executive Committee members of the Seeker mob will sit on a hunger strike here, and we invite anybody who is willing to come and share the dice on that day. We adopt that resolution. We have adopted it in the Executive Committee. This is information to every one of you. Also on the 17th, we will again sit on a hunger strike. Do we pass it? Yes! Pass. And even still, if nothing comes through, on the 21st of this month, there will be total suspension of maintenance work during office hours from 4 to 5 p.m. Yeah! Total suspension of maintenance work during office hours from 10 to 4 p.m. We'll let the year pass. 2020 has been a bad year for the world, equally for us. We'll let it pass. However, if according to the provisions of the Act that the management has to clear the salary by the 10th of every month, if by the 10th of January we do not get our salary for December, then on the 12th of January 2021, there will be mass casual leave by non-factory workers, and they will again gather here same day and will march to the Secretariat. Yes! Do we pass it? Yes! Pass. On the 18th of January, if again our salary is denied, then like our colleague has mentioned, on the 18th, it will be a total non-cooperation movement will start.
Speaking on the occasion, Shulet strongly criticized the state government for taking huge loans from financial institutions for line transmissions and for expansion of substation which are not necessary. He said, under the Central Electricity Act, the state government is authorized to take bank loans from financial institutions, which it did, in order to pay the pending salary of the employees.
Taking loans left and right. Unnecessary loans. Loans are piling up. Whether we need it or not, there is no analysis, there is no exercise to know the fact whether these loans are actually needed. ADB loans to the tune of about 1,200 crores has been procured. What to do, you know? Not to generate money, not to make new powerhouses, not to generate resources, not to generate funds for this organization, but just to construct lines and substations. There are villages that I know which have a load of not even 500 kVA. There, they are constructing 33 kV substations with a capacity of 5,000 kVA.
On the other hand, the Vice President A. Dakar challenged the MPP-led government if it dared to include privatization of MeECL in the election manifesto. He strongly criticized the state government for taking from the earning of the corporation to clear the bank loans. Dakar also said that the government should pay the salaries of the employees before the 5th of each month.
Inform us that they have paid the money to clear the loan. Let us take a resolution today that henceforth, first, before the 5th of every month, they have to pay our salary. Yes! The moment they default, if they pay the salary, if they clear the loan first, we will stop war. Yes. Salary is our priority. Yes. Nagatran, Ngigitran, Kikonjang Ngigitran, Nyamrajo Bansha, Kumurang Babril, Satangsang Stem Kaserves Jonga, Haray nga ay ngoyo blay, Bakidon kinay kilidar, Kibansyerti, Pat kilidar, Kat kiramba, Kublay Sibon Yapi, Master President, Master Secretary, Pat Mapi Baro, Ublay undan rekat Mapi,